Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Let's go over our mood meter. So, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling calm? Or are you not feeling it today? You're just feeling tired or you're mad. How are you feeling today? I'm super happy because it's the middle of the week. How are you feeling? The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Days of the week. So everybody, remember, let's go ahead and say it together. So today is Wednesday. What is today? Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. What was yesterday? Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. What will tomorrow be? Thursday. The month is August. What is a month? Get ready. August. So today is August. Oops, sorry, I forgot to change that. Today is Wednesday, August the 19th, 2020. What is today? Today is Wednesday, the 19th, 2020. The weather is sunny. So it is sunny outside, which means the temperature is 97 degrees and it's still very, very hot. Remember to stay active. Make sure you walk or you go ahead and play outside. Of course, when it's not too hot outside, and drink a lot of water. Continue working on your life skill lesson of brushing your teeth. So for today's agenda, some of you will be working on reading and some of you will be working on science. So if you have any questions, please contact your teacher and they will be more than happy to help you. Let's begin.